This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona.ghobrial. Welcome to this better than new 5-bedroom home with soaring ceilings, walls of windows, gleaming hardwood floors and open floor plan. Guests can enjoy the first floor bedroom/bath, and a first and second floor family room. Take refuge in the huge second floor master retreat with sitting area, walk-in closet and large bathroom with jetted tub. Soak up the sun during backyard cookouts on the beautiful stamped concrete deck overlooking the oversized fenced yard large enough for a pool. For more information, review the details below.